Dumelang. How are you guys doing? Ish, guys, you missed me, ne? You missed me. Hi, boy, Max. Ish, guys, I can explain. So, right, at the DSTV Delicious, right? At the DSTV Delicious, right? So I'm explaining. Listen. I didn't disappear. It was not by choice that I disappeared, right? At at DSTV Delicious, right? So I'm with my whole team. I'm excited. Like DSTV Delicious was amazing, but it was also like a mess from my end, right? From my side personally. This has nothing to do with DSTV Delicious. From my end, cause now mana ngisho ngiyachaza chomi ukuthi kwenzakaleni ukuthi bengiyephi all along and why I was gone all this time. So DSTV Delicious, go there with my team. Like things was just a mess. Last minute they changed time slots because there was an artist who didn't want to be on at a later stage, so they had to move the times earlier. And now I'd already prepped my team, what time should they all get there and all of that. So now everyone comes back. When they come back, we late, we rushing, we all need to get to the venue and whatever else. We're performing. My photographer's late. It's just a mess. In the midst of all of that commotion and whatever else, the brewer carrying my shit, I had a change of clothes and whatever else, right? Because I wanted to do 2 outfits for that show. The brewer that had my phone broke it. I can see we khatile or like I can see like active thing. My phone literally broke in half, like ningathile, so in half. So it was just like like kafela matla. And I won't lie, when you treat everything scarce, like I treat everything food. I didn't see a need to have insurance for a phone, whatever. Because in my head, I'm like, I thought what could happen to my phone. Now I saw what could happen to my phone. So, hey, when I declined. So yeah, I haven't been in touch with so many things, like, because now I also wanted to buy another phone, but then I didn't just want to buy any phone, so now I had to wait to get the right phone, and then I had to use another phone, but the phone that I was using is my old phone, so I was using this phone, all right? So you can imagine this is the iPhone. What's this? 11 Pro Max. So the quality is bad. You can't even do something. I couldn't even do a live. I tried doing a live this other time. So I couldn't do lives. I couldn't post content. I remember even literally this past weekend I was in TZ, right, in Tanzania. I did what's this? A get ready with me. I couldn't even post that get ready with me because the quality was bad. Like it was super bad. At the time I was so mad. Like this person, there's nothing as hectic as someone who's in your life, like full time, and that person does something that is an inconvenience. And now you can't treat this person as you would have treated an outsider. For example, if if I walk out right now and someone was to ruin my phone, I demand to that person, you know, but California, my money now, whatever else. I can't because this bro's my DJs, my Antoana. I'm like, ish, my baby sono, sopo, batungwena. And now I'm like, yo, I put another budget. So I don't just do impulsive what. I thought about it, but I was like, nah. But my good ish waiting. I needed to. Can people behave in here? Who's not behaving now? But he could have at least paid half. Eish, brah. Eish, shemit. Mfana kashem. Actually, I was like, apatala half day. But like it was like I couldn't. So njengathi hayi I'm back. Yeah, I was not busy. I got to go to talk. Hey, phone. Yeah. I was not going to take a 50 years. I was so. Tuna, shut up. And shut up. Tuna. Mas a já shut up. So I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. So man, grand. I'm gonna shoot a movie, man. Like we can literally shoot a movie now. But I'm still trying to figure out. But uzobuza wathi cela ubashute angishuti frog angishuti muntu singapapelani when I didn't have a phone I kept to myself. I couldn't even do a live. I couldn't even join Abba live. I couldn't do fuck all. And now I'm seeing these requests. I'm seeing people sending me notifications. Oh, please join this live. Oh, please join the live. Usman Ban, live, join. Oh gosh, I couldn't do lives. Fuck all. Guys, not having a phone is gag. Like not having a good quality phone is gag. I don't wanna lie to you. I saw that. And I mean, I'm not like. Let me be honest. I'm not a materialistic things aren't like that much of a deal for me. Like you see, I don't like posting things. I don't like being out there about whatever it is that I do. It's fine. If you figure out something that I'm doing, you figured it out. Cool, kudos. But like with phones, actually, I've had this phone for close to about 4 years, I think. I've been using this phone. When I switched this phone, I didn't even buy the phone that I switched to. I think someone gave me that phone because they were tired of using that phone. The phone that got broke. It was a 13. Was it a 13? Yeah, it was a 13 Pro Max. So it's my first time even using Type-C. I've been using the normal charger ever since. But like, give me, like, it was never a thing. So this time around, I was like, nah. Guy one. Guy one, yabo? Here from Academia. Hope to see you. Where's Academia? You hope to see me at Academia. How much is the phone? 20 rand. Tao. Please, PS5. PS5 is I need help with acting auditions. But I'm not an actor, mos. Nkele. Your biggest fan. Shout outs. Can I have the old one? Even you're very kasi phone ya business yaka. So hele the bookings no key phone bookings. Then I wouldn't even lie to you. They tried to convince me to buy a Terra. I was like, me, go ranga space 1 terabyte. I didn't even want to buy the terabyte, but yeah. But yo, I got so much stories I want to tell you guys. Like, yo, like there's so many things that I wanted to tell you guys, but I couldn't even tell you because now there was no time to come here and talk about these things. Because now I didn't have a proper phone. Now I do a live. I can't even go live for long. Sick money. Like it was a mess. But I'm back. Please don't go to Nigeria. How? Because I'm mina ngaya kamunwoko. Guys. Those things don't work on me. I ke le challenge or tsamayang le bona batho ba lena le za mo kenya ditlhare le diwatwat. But man, I don't know. I feel like I'm immune to those things. Everything that happens in my life is what is supposed to happen. So if it happens that there's something that happens, it's not because you went and you told someone to say you would like to see something bad happening to me. It's because it's supposed to happen. I'll try because nowhere to be found. I even tried to go. Guys, I'm explaining that I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry, but I'm back. Story time. We missed days like this. Hi, Papa. Hey. Hi, bro. Hey, Kat. Man. Like, there's so many things I wanted to say. There's so many things I wanted to talk to you guys about. Good, Retiring, baby. When dubula, bazokudubula. Story time, please. My heart is even. Guys, now you want me to do story time now? You want me to do a story time now? Guys. Ish, okay, sorry. Bamfonela, bangikhuza. What stories would you guys want to hear? Angazi shem. Angazi. Okay. I need to do something. 2 seconds. Don't leave. 2 seconds. Hi, bro, the wife. Khanti nkalena. Why limpitsa mabitso mara sa wa tsebeng mabitso a le teng. Le tlo ntse limpitsa ka bodi what more. Anything we don't know what's going on in your life. Hi, bro. What do you want to know about my life? Guys, my life is very... I want your autograph. Wait, Nana. Guys, my life is very simple, not complicated, very chilled. Yeah, not looking at the talent. It's a like it's a ya fella mo. Yeah, phela kanjani ndaba karapela no. Oh, the comments are like Liwan with the commenting. I'm realizing now as I read these comments that you guys really think it. No, guys, be like, I was not doing this live too. I was not doing these lives for story time and whatever else. I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm back. I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm back and apologize to say, yo, guys, almost a month. Actually, been a month. Fuck. Almost a month. Oh, but I'm back now. I'm a simple phone. I last much. Fourth. Quality corner. Look, Pumula. Upumula, wetsa, yeah. Askis, Shem, Askis, guys. Askis. I think explaining the story some good Pogophone may Pogi. So I didn't explain like 1,000. Give me one for. Sorry. I'm joking, man. Okay, can you continue with your story? So that's what you're going to ask for permission before you tell us. But now I can't start that story in the middle now, and I didn't get permission to finish off that story because I guess like I mentioned, I mistake the name of the person or whatever else. There's so many stories that I can tell you guys. So many stories, like. So many stories, but never sitting. Wabona Stella, exactly. That's what I'm saying, Hore. Now I'm gonna have to start afresh and tell that story from the beginning, like Italian collab of theirs. So now I'm gonna have to start the story afresh. Sprite, Lena. Yo, hayi lapho uqinisile. Hayi intombi yama yeyo khohlo. Khohlo intombi yami inhle mfethu angeke. Khohlo. I wanna get like you can say whatever you want to say. I'm a good movie. Better line. What's it? No competition. No matter by 15 fits. What's about going Chirac is represented? Okay. No pega up. Lapha kubheka athi mfethu manje awufuna ukubabheka la mantombazane akhona lapha no mani balande baby sa fika shaya konke abuye ne-trophy Rosmora collection, please. Yo, if I was to show you my Rosmora collection, mina ngiyantshela akekho umuntu ogcoke i-rm njengami la eSouth Africa. You're lying. I dare anyone to come and say, Brian, mina namang. Into adingilwa ntse besitse la. Nkate na rm one mfethu jo ke phete ke bona after 3 months la sokutini la. Imina kuphethe iphahlo namona imina sechucala ithutshana tshotsa. I don't get how Val people. Oh my word! This. Did you see what this phone did? It zoomed itself. Did you see? I left phone go sap. King yadlala. Marai jo kadlala jo. Language of Val is so dope though. Like the Val language is really like that. Was it and daddy is so true there since if it leader sorry that fitla and down. Fitlha di mane mona jo santsa ke ne o di living ira chalacha yo ya ba koropa la. I don't even know what they're saying, but feel it sounds dope. Language Val is dope. Unayo iPhone anginayo futhi. Anginayo iPhone 14. Anginayo. YVK stands for vague, Van Vague, masterpiece Van Vague. Yeah, it's true. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. But yeah. Hey man, kalala man. Obviously it's not fake, guys. Do you think ulolanga pizza fake? Oh, handsome, yes. Yes. Baby, I'm jealous. Every day, man. Oh. Yay. Mina ngiyakuvada siyabonga mfethu. I'm back. I don't think welcome back party. I don't think a welcome back party. Like, but yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. One talk, like, and then okay, like, but one thing you need to understand is it's not this phone. Never like you saw like le life campus so as tawata phone. Oh, elambora mo commenting. Let's busana. Santa kira busana at the king moderator. If cheapy thing, man. What are you guys talking about? Yeah, got to back. Your song next door. Can I be next door? Fortunate no. Unamanya avela fast. Yabo besangwapo. Because I'm talking and I can't talk and read. Mina ngiyahluleka multitask vele ngifocus entweni one. Ngifocus entweni eziningi vele akusakwazi. So uyabona nje ubheke like when I'm talking I talk. Then when I read comments I keep quiet because that's how I operate. I can't talk and read comments. And your face changes immediately when they start asking those questions. What do you mean I'm lying? Sending love from Chris. Semi. Like what's up to go Alex? Connected to Wi-Fi go next door. Semi. Current to like Pela Kukuza Castles. lerutini yenu nabofinisha ina masimba tanko wa kgona go bua Afrikaans ya ka mo Afrikaans praat. Semi on board. Now on board personally. Sicela nikhiphe ivula mlomo tu. Isitori sizocala. Yabona mina ngingakhipha ivula mlomo right, like right, ngizongicocela isitori sami esifana nesaka Asha no conjure was Asha with on that song. Oh, and R. Kelly, same girl, same girl. I like it because EX Kachipi was crashing on his life earlier. Bembuza ngawo when I should. Khuluma ngani guys libuka can't be la. Guys, I wasn't in the country, so I don't understand some of these things that you guys are talking about. And I told you I didn't have a phone for the longest time. So I'm so confused right now. Like, nkhuluma ngani? Who's ex-Kachipi? Like, who's cheapy? First of all, let's start there. The story. What Judah? I kill Judy. What's the accent for me? Hey, princess. Hey. Nazo my live nami ngizongitshela ngabanye abantu. Ngitshele ngam or ngawe sitshele ngawe ke. Ungasitsheli ngabanye abantu. Skamputsang ka batho ba bang guys. Pika. Skamputsang ka batho ba bang like ke a le kopela. Exactly. We're confused. So, kopela ra ska confusanang guys. Ra ska confusanang. Nakti bua kang, bua ka mang, di bo mang, body cheapy, di. Like, no, let's not do that here, guys. I don't compare. What's the final? I want like a. I'm a fan from Ethiopia. Shut up, man. I'm coming to Ethiopia soon. Real soon. Real soon, girl. I mean, I was out of the country because the Gaber, keep his then once you go into a gig today, no gigs today. No gigs today. Yo, I just landed yesterday. I was so tired, guys. Didn't know nje massage nje. I'm oily. Your mom until shop baby oil, tissue oil, essential oil, what oil. Kurkinya gari oil take off fair. A massage fail. Even massage fail. Like I'm so tired. You also like branding for tag. King happy ending, Beno. Que massage joang happy ending. Quel bout de car if linya quel bout de store que bout de store. Sa same girl. The name of the store, the tagline, the heading, title of the store is same girl. he pinned that comment and went in. What? And like, what this is? Mfana jwa ngithandi shawa mfana yazana ngithandi naw ngikwatisile enhleke shmara benginganafoni ukuthi ngitshele ukuthi ngikwatisile mara feli ngikwatisa abantu lini kopa tšhelete a kena papa and le teng bo malume ba ka wena o ka founela no wa botsa ko kwa gore o nyaka tšhelete ba tlo e romela guys like yo ibile lento accept what wena shap hayi futhi hayi ku life yapha akuzenzi lezi zinto lezo mina ku life yami hayi uzoconfuse abantu bamshaba hayi ngizoza ku live yakho ngitshele lento ngifuna ukutshela yona kanti kwenzakalani la kuma comments onale love bite wahafa I see what you're doing. What? Where's that more commenting? Yeah. Where's that comment? Yo, where I live, I lost my grills, Joe. I'm sure. I lost my grills, man. I feel like I'm close. I think everything that I'm getting now, like it's my laugh at guys. I'm starting afresh with everything. You see, I have a new phone. I must get a contract. I must get a insurance. Even when I get grills, I must insure them. Cause wow. Your boy Vicratip got married. Dope. But quick question. As a community, a masterpiece. As Batuba masterpieces. More. I want to write that about when I want to win it, I'll comment to go in or congratulations. When you got a con not lobutan or mutwin it soon, unyaka nah. Why Linyaku work about Baba more live in yak? Wakan and put some active something interesting and was come put some to look at Sakimo to Oka Fella cousin Castle Arab still ki wait or comment a fella mar, but or data what's about. Don't mind your own business. I don't know unyaka na ke faka ska business ya batho ba bang wa bona ro papela a phapa anyway wama 2K shaw
uthi mina ngenzeli ngikwatise bani
ukwatise mina
ngani
ungenele out yami mina ku live wena masimba akho
ungenele out yakho bani
hayi ngizokufonela ngitshela ukuthi ngikutshela yena
amkhulu
wrong
Peace wangaseze ema live nami
mfana bengingana phone
mfana aze ngilahle kancane izolo mangitshela ukuthi angisana phone I'm like Peace yazizwa mara
bengingana phone
ule keep branding dog you also like branding you can't have hit songs and not have You can't have hit songs and also ungabi nefone, you like branding. Kumele ngitshele sifile.
Awubheka ifoni yakho ngathi awubhekanga ngefoni labheka ungiphaphela.
Uleke branding. Bongana phone kanjani? Bomosha iphela.
Fana bebakumoshela ifoni laba masimba abantu mfana.
Hayibo.
Like igamukile and like isemotweni ngizokukhomba ngizokuthathela isithombe igamukile in half like ifoni yami be half so
Hayi wena.
eqala ukuyibona into so yo
Why?
angazi angizange ngifune nokwazi ukuthi iphule kanjani Joshua ngivele ngayeka ngihamba futhi like
Wait uzomhlaba ne?
kuyenzeka cause my mengaya ngale ngcondo zakho uzogcina songitshela ukuthi angazi usibani bani udinga in kuphi kumele ngihambe
Hayibo. Ifoni bese ilahlekwe bese isakazwe phansi yini?
mbani sharp
So uyilungisile ma?
yeah
Uyilungisile?
yeah
Uyilungisile or you bought a new one?
yeah
Yo, Nkosi baba.
ngilungisile ifoni yami
Tingwa.
ngilungisile ifoni
Aw Kairo.
and le ngoma le idropa lili yakho no Cairo
Eka Kairo le ngoma mana ngikho kule ngoma guys. Mina
idropa lili
kumele ngibuze bona vele.
bona bobani
Abo Scott kuthi bayikhipha nini? Kodwa bakamthi.
yini ikhiphe jo
Liyasho uzolidlala kuma set wakho.
ini uthi kuhlanya badi kuhlanya mina ngitsekeleke wait what do you mean awukho what do you mean awukho kule ngoma ubani othi kuwe kubantu athi kuhlanya bani ukhona musa
Hayi yenye intwana kanje kusini.
Sandile
Ngaphisa I'm trying to open the camera la. Can you see?
ngiboni mfana
Mangisevile.
mfana ublank la ngiboni next instead ngizibona mina
Ngicela ungikhiphe futhi ngingene futhi.
Fana shaba ngimbuza wena stana ngimbuza leyo question akafuni kanje konje ngikhipha njani or disconnect yes shares lento TikTok yangishaya lena invite
Yeah. Ethingeze masterpiece ba? Ngiphila impilo yakhe ya 2015. Yakeza mfethu. Ngiphila impilo yakhe ya 2015.
shaba jo ish
Bon. Ngitsafe bengitsafuka kamanzi abandayo so ngathatha isigubhu bese ayisile ngasifaka. Ukutholisa lamanga. So bengipholisa manje. Yo,
bana yazi abantu abageze Vascomini yibo abageza school kunawo wonke umuntu ngiphilisaya kasho la ngimchini
ya uqala ngipikiswa mina. Yimi ngiphikisa.
ngiyakutshela
Kanjani this cause ithi ukutshela iroutine yokugezela endishini momjita angazi abachiri.
uqala ngobuso and that's why I need to geza tarale yazi why because bogeze Vascomini awumane awungene ebhavini bese uyazithela uyake kumele ugeze ngama section uqala ngobuso uzangalana muceda khani uyaphansi bese uyangena uyazipulisha izinyawo so geza school
peace asingivara ngicala ngikhumula iskipa ngithi ngisala ngeshoti or iboxer or then obviously ngishaya ikhanda ngishaya ubuso ngishaya amakhwapha nani ayithola then kunalento esibiza ngokuthi ibedway i50-50 khona bogeza umgogodlo khona bangagezi
hayi babi vaslaput
not everyone does that though. Not everyone. Then uma sengingena endishini
Lo sisi
sengiyohlala
ucela ukukubona ugeza uthi wayavala ikhamera.
hayi bo ngizoblockwa nje ngizoblockwa mara ukhuluma iqiniso man
Ngiyakutshela bogeza evasikomini ugeza skuni. Maya boshawa
yazi ngibone ngobani like
uchaza ukuthi lamanzi ayakuthela
yazi nangibona ngani bafethu like guys la kuma comment section ngisanokubona like mangise eventini abo youngstar abo masterpiece ngiyabona ukuthi labantu laba mana abafani nami ngokugeza like mina ngiyachina like yazi abo youngstar nabo masterpiece ilabantu mohlangana nabo groove yazi ulokuthi uthi ithi yazi uthula la mfana manje thina esasendishini one part per part
into engitshela yona bogeza evasikomini ugeza skuni mfana mina ngiyakutshela
bakwatisa khotmani yazi abo Sifiso batshileke ibranding Sifiso
mara jo ishiyazi ne nami bengikwatile mengizwa le clip ne mara ngithe mengivanyo ilalela grand lento le yamfana afana bebaringa grand ngokhotmani again
bebaringa grand
yeah they were not saying bad things in that sense
okay
yeah because mfethu uThagi uzuyasho ukuthi yo mfethu he's an iconic person, a legend, what yabona he contributed to the game, important what music hits. So manje it's just that le part abayichopile leya is wrong. Maybe naleya question yakaMas nayo wrong.
Yeah, yazi mina because I had a conversation
Because angeke ukuthi uNjelica upcoming. Yabona kube ngathi intermediate or mediate. Ngiyazi nokuthi yini immediate artist kanti ama-artist amanye ama-pastor ngokuthi immediate usho ukuthini so khona ama-artist immediately bese khona
yazi into ekhinye unjenje according to my understanding because bengirekana izola ni okay to add on what after le video enye into emdinayo ke ile nto ukuthi yena ngeke umthole kuma podcast or nje in general kuma live or anywhere aringa ngobaya ukuthi masterpiece yabo so udinwe lento ukuthi kanti nifunani indabeni zami whether I'm doing good or bad
but now you must understand I mean nami ngipostile lento yakhe ngabasho ngikwatisa Grootman la but inte shoot khona into enzakalayo ukuthi bagcine sebakhuluma akekho umuntu ongasukeleka nje out of the people ku live kusasa sikukhulunywa ngoshaba nje hayi chaos so akekho umuntu lento bekayisho ukuthi ngoba sekaya trenda kuma TikTok nama what it's obvious people are seeing this I think in last week or in the last 2 weeks ngiyazi boma 3 ama video kanje lika trendayo
yeah
so obvious bazokhuluma ngaye bafuna but because then they'll get traction. There's no podcast that will talk about someone that they believe angeke bathole traction nathi ukukhulunywa ngathi uyabona ucheck nje laba mention abo masterpiece ama number akhona abaphezulu yabona intonyane ezinjalo mfethu
yeah
nikeza ama views ngiyadlala but yeah but they get views from these things so you can't to some extent you can't blame them. It's like ukwatele i-journalist for ukuthi libhale story ewena bofuna kube imfihlo sponsor ukuthola istory ezinjalo vele now sponsor ukuthi to keep the net interested in whatever else they need to talk about what they think about whatever else kuyangaka abantu baloku bathi yo underrated hey what masterpiece right uyathula uyabheka is that what you think
ayinjenje imphathanga grand yahlanya kakhulu hodman
yeah but I think i-full clip izomkhuthaza kancane mina ngabona the full clip because nami bengikwatisile that short clip yo
yeah ukuthi jo
nami ngibona la clip mashuta mara msukulu Grootman lami la
mina uSifiso angiphoqa yazi akangiphoqa uSifiso ku Scorpion Kings
ini
yazi uSifiso angiphoqa you remember the one
asiyeke habogeza ubuye buqeda ugeza
ngiyabela ngithi Phela animsukele ngikhuluma into enzakela. You remember that time? Usifisa bayanokuza ithi ema live inwethu yabo like isigwerane kube mnandi yabo just like sihlezi senza so nani mangena like isigwerane so nini uThagu uyangena yabo mangene live inwethu siyaqala siyagwerana hey watwati hey imini yabo angitshela ra wena ka podcast yena yawo lebo sijuku leswake watwati dava uhira ka ro o dladile bolo engeng wabo like salanzana be ngathi kuThagi wena ungangitsheli awungitsheli next wona cabanga uthi une cherry yakho uthi baby this is my colleague ukhomba ubaba ona 50 usifiso usifisa kwata dog yayithola angilanda
kwathi personal wena
yeah no mina I'm saying this because behlezi azima live inwethu so sigwerana like hayi ukuthi bekuyinto ukuthi nayibekeza sifiso like isigwerana hayi wena shaba wena angicela kubi wena watwathi sihlala so nginalento ukuthi amani Hotman vele mina nalo siya lingilande WhatsApp yabo
after live
not after the live like abona iviri iloki trend athecho manje yila masimbo wakhuluma ngami ema live ngithi awu sifiso sukela nini wena sokwata manje masesidlala nawe come on sifiso bengidlala mas sharp ke ngiye Scorpion Kings mangifika Scorpion Kings ngifonela boshonano why there was okonje bongekho bekuna kube nale moment we bathatha break amajita like ama performance kuba ne break nyane 15 minutes so ngifonela boshonano 1 yabo ngiyababuza ukuthi bame ngakuphi so ngiloko ngicingana nabo ngiyabafuna ngivane ngiouchama ngibona usifiso ngithi hey thina ukhumtu Hotman ngitshela la uthi ngivana man asami man thina ukhumtu usifiso awu Hotman lamle ngifike la ekseba fethu fere ngifisa ukudlula la Brian le ngithi uyapi ngithi man ngifuna ukhumtu Hotman le movie asukele lo muntu angichiftele ngifika kusise kuseka man hayi wena suka mnqondo wakho khala kabi man siso hamba apha awu uthetha nobani hamba
as akena iflop yami akena yini mina personally I think maybe this is a coping mechanism that I put in my head. Ayikho into engithatha serious ni gaming because uzohlanya jo.
Yeah dog.
Yeah, into serious because unokukhuluma unokucabana nomuntu namhlanje kusasa uthola ukuthi uyamdinga nana so kuyafana jo. I have a lot of people who are weird what fits me I just take everything as a joke. If when serious uwe lapho
yeah ichola
into zakho lezo ungasifaki thina lapho
it's like me saying to youngster ngimgwere ngithi awona ungangitshela no masterpiece what bese so wona ivideo so yakwata manje like I'm saying it to youngster ngimgwera nangawe because I know ukuthi awuphisi awuchama akusumuntu engimsukela engingamazi kanti usifisa zangayithola right hayi ngavela ngathi yazi akunankinga mara balkwatisile goto tshwarelo
mara mfana gaming information mina ngithatha serious nalabo bona labantu bakuma comments labo khona ngingabathatha serious because bayaphapha mina shawa akazi kuzala labalanga. And I was not around, man. I wasn't in the country, man. So I'm just landing and I'm hearing so many shit, man. Like, what the fuck? Ngifuna ukufakaza ngibonekeza masimbo. Futhi like shabata zangu tiyakeza. Shaba marakala manzi lapho nama.
Yes.
Akala manzi lapho.
Kwaninta.
Rachie. Rachel, let's let you buza yona.
Yazi into engichaza ngokuhlala eroomini lakho ne is that every time ekseni mawuvuka uhlangana nento zakho zonke ozisebenzele kanzima njalo mangivuka ngibona yonke into ayingispanele
Kala
because
mnyama.
ama-portrait wami wonke ala ebondeni i-screen sami sisebondeni ama-award wami ala ebondeni yonke into like uma ngivuka ngihlangana nayo
Joke sebondeni konke nje.
yeah mina almost everything like imisebondini dog
Yabaqeda ukugeza ayifuthe ngizobona bubuya la. Bye bye.
ngikhiphe
Rachel Shem le nto ibuzayo Shem. As guys, traveling is nice and all. And I always say this thing to everyone. Kumnandi ukutravula uyendaweni ubona amanye amazwe. Mara Shem guys. You see, one thing you must never take for granted. Like South Africa, it's privileged. La eMzansi, we're very privileged. Story time. When from story time, began the live with 50,000 likes. I put 50,000 likes in man. 60k likes. Bese ni edge na gift nyana 823 nyana. Ngizonitshela ngestory sami. Nenye out yam so. Bengazi ukuthi sitshela nomuntu oyi-1. Yes, empilweni. Anyway, but ke began up ninza slow kanti ku 44 45 sharp but it's ushaya 100k but ke ngenzeka kusemhlabeni. But as I was saying, in the meantime, while we wait for kanti send 50k now I gone wrong yeah go 100. As I was saying, like in South Africa, we're privileged. Ngaphandle, the food get better. The hospitality, the like in jail. Oh, cause kumnandi travel and I wanna when it comes to the part yokudla yona. Ay. Part yokudla. Okay, sharp. Ngithe ngibeke akangene gift eyi-1. Niyazi guys, angikhuluma istory mina ngakabi novula mlomo. Oyi-1 futhi akayenza something lapho and angeke ukuthi ngivule umlomo ngama-roses. Heck siyabona wenza ivula mlomo wenza ivula mlomo ngama-roses. But I've been tapping the screen. Tap. Share live, tap screen, share live, tap screen. Niggas are my gift. Is that now? Awares. Funu vulamlom. Ngimane ngicocela story nje. Sure. Yebo Thobeka, yebo fitness queen, yebo lebu litswalo, yebo lerato, yebo, awu bubu nice, what a name, bubu nice. Fitness queen, ngiyakuzwa mina, ngithanda indaba, yo, pheka ama-gift sewayaphuma manje. Ngoba ngithembisa izindaba ayilirata litaba yo pheka sesilande 100k lirata litaba sis angeke mabubu neskele linketsang mara ye ay nyawabona laba gift nyawo ngithanda indaba likhohlakele lirato ngicitha imali ye-school fees la nto ngingigift andingazi nokuthi ngigiftelani lapho kuvela bojiji manje chaos ngithanda indaba sham ngithanda indaba bubunesi ngiyakuzwa nombuso lebu litswalo ngiyaniza siyangena 100k manje has been like guys getting serious. Okay. Story time. Kwasuka it's in gospel. Sharp. I'm still starting off in the game, you know, at this time. And just after because some of you guys think I'm lying about these stories. You guys think I make up stories. Ngoba ngibhorekile ngifuna ukuchaza nina la and ayikho into enjalo ngitshela into serious. By the time ngiceda the story kumele sibe ku-200k likes ne, and then abanye abantu la ngiserious manje. Sharp. But we want names also. Aye, no names. Guys, I'm gonna use different names for the sake. Because last time ngikhuluma igama lomuntu kanti uya-exista and manje azange sakhona ukuqedela le story. Because why? Ngikhuluma amagama omuntu. Sharp very. I'm still starting off in the game, right? At that time, I'm still new. I think I already had like 2-3 songs that were trending at the time. Yabo, ngisapatanisa nje izinto zami zahlangana, whatever else, right? Friend of mine says, you know what, my bro, I see what you're doing. Guys, you're jumping, so let them wish. Mara ngiyafana uzongikwatela mangabe yakwata. I fall off. Friend of mine sees all of this thing is happening. I'm still in Mpumalanga at the time. Mpumalanga ngiyesikolo, mina ngithi ngiyasebenza eMpumalanga. Ngisebenzela ekhaya. Ngitholi isikolo what angigcine sengiyekile isikolo vele mase ngiyekile isikolo manje angisana plan ngiyekile isikolo. Prior mithi kimi jo lalela ne wena zwakala uzohlala nami. So I met this person back in the day. We were real tight friends. So now izinto zakhe nice ziyahlangana nyana, but at the same time as those things are coming together, now he's not alone. There's other people, you know. He's grinding. Yasebenza nje sharp. So now mina ngiyohlala kaBafu. Now mina ngiyohlala kaBafu. Mina ngiyohlala eSofini. Anginampeto, anginakamura. Anginampeto, anginakamura. Mara feli prior ngiyangithola. So mangabe one akunamuntu siyatipa 2 men empedeni mara mangabe obvious brawo fasile akusikwami mfethu jo mele ngishiftele eceleni. You understand? So now we're living in a house. It's not just the two of us. There's gang people in Clean, you know? So you create friendship, you know, with everyone in the house. We all cool, we all gents like that. Jamachita nje. Kusemzini insizwa lapha nje bekusi room 8. Yangithola cool. Fast forward, I just need to give you a basis to say, first off, I'm in this house. One, angna beto, angna ini, angna kamura nje. Ngingisiwe gancinge lapha ngincengile nami nje ukuncenga yangithola. Cool. In the midst of everything that is happening, okay, cool, started to pop, things started to happen, izinto ziyahlangana, you know, you meet a lot of girls. Sengicala manje sengifuna abantu mina ngiyowe. Mina ngathi ngavala ama-comment ngiyangibhora. Angacali nestori sengicalile niyafakaza. Ngifakazani? Angacali nestori. Sharp. Sezinto sezihlangana siyapopa mfethu ujo, okay, cool. Get a DM ngiyangithola, get a DM. Yo, saw you at what gig? Oh, you're really cool. I get those DMs frequently. Sharp. Very sure. Thank you very much. Yo. Go to some other gig in Tembisa. Mingithi bites. Yo. Time man. Anoma bangathi izinto zafana ne. Lo. Ile ntombazana le angithola but angikho sure manje angithola ukuthi kwenzakalani engiyambheka ngimboni kahle ngithi you know what I don't think it's her but now I'm seeing her from afar she's a nice body. Me, if you didn't know, I'm gonna tell you now free of charge, I'm a big fan of Nyash. Like I'm a Nyashiologist. Like Lakash Luna is my things, like Lakash Kumbasha, like Kumbalakushka and Zwani again. Yeah. So I'm seeing like the body from afar and whatever else. I haven't seen this person's face properly. Cool. Go back to the house. So now at the house where we stay, right? It's like the main side of the house where everyone comes in. It's these slidings that is like a big glass, whatever else. So it's like part of that aesthetic, that those type of houses, like big glass, and then there's a sliding like a mega corner. So it's a double-sided. It's a double-sided whatnot. Not even double-sided. Is it one-sided? Where on the other side you can't see in the inside, but in the inside you can see the outside. But it's clear, so there's no curtain la payat. So when a mome ngale siyakubona mara wena awusiboni. Angithola sharp but smash and grab semoto man. I don't know, but smash and grab semoto mus angisho. Yes, okay, it's dimmed. Let's just say that for argument's sake, it's dimmed. But it's like that type of a dim to say when you're on the inside, you can see the outside. When you're outside, you literally can't see fuck all that is happening inside. Cool. Sis really manje. I want DM this person. I'm like, dog, I think I saw you. She's like, yeah, whatnot. So ila bantu lava ufana no user 9295222226900603. Agana profile kulentuza yak. There's literally one picture, but it's literally not that clear. No, not even a picture. It's a video, but it's not that clear. So you're not seeing much face. You're still seeing body. And I said, Mina, it's Sandela in Lakashluna. Bumba Lakashkuka. Nyashiologist. Okay, cool. Yeah, I wanted to come to your table, but I didn't know what to do, what. So let me just, like, can I come say hi? I'm like, I'm already home. Yeah, I don't mind. I can pull up. Uringi. So now, obvious, remember I told you guys camera elithi mina le camera lele laphayana camera la kabafu mina nami ngincisile lapha no bafu mangabe si2 akunamuntu sakhona ukutipa 2 men mara mangabe bafu fasile ngilale sofeni mara le date bafulalela ke mfethu uyazikhamba khoni into la yabona and manje nje vele ngikhali ukanga namhlanje ithi mina mfethu cela namhlanje ngoba ngiyabona ngathi wena awufasana yabo ngicela mina ngimbise mara ngicela ukusebenza yabona and nina majita ningahleki la nibaningi la bengicela ama stadium lapho ningana ama stadium niphethe ama Cox niphethe ijezi niphethe ibhola ama team wonke aphelele nifuna ukudlala mara ningana stadium so ningazohleka ngazi nihlekani lapho sharp Brian if it's Brian understand this if it's Brian my bra akuna stress jo and so when ungayenzani yenza izinto zakho mina ama book outs vele whatever else ngizophuma nami ngifuna ukwenza izinto zami nami but not la endlini ngizozenza outside. Ngiyangithola manje ayami mara ungavayi manje but just relax. Ngifuna ningitshele guys ukuthi what do you guys think about lo mntwana, because I don't know her properly, I don't see her, I saw her body from afar but faded. Ngiyangithola shangithola so feeling ngathi grand, but manje if akusinto egrand at least mina ngakhona ukungitshela ukhona ukungisave ukuthi mangabe mfethu ikhungra sikhona ukwenza isitori ukuthi ahambe lo muntu. Uyangithola after amajita guys know this thing, you know very well to say you can treat everyone nicely, like ufile ngazathi oh my word these guys love me, mara sesitsheleni ukuthi mfethu awenzi next naloyo muntu lo yes. It's alright. Ufuna mfana busi was me now. It's alright sharp mfethu. Zwakala Ju. Send an Uber. The Uber goes to fetch her at the place, brings her to the house. She gets to the house. So when she gets to the house, the like njengoba ngimchazile i-Uber ifika ipake ngaphandle la i-Uber ipaka khona it's literally opposite umnyango, right? But as you approach the door thina sonke like the door bekufaka to the straightly kule living area, so there's like couches vele whatever, that's like this court, but obviously my couch is like a U shape sort of. Was it a U? Yeah, it was a U shape. Ibegele, right? The TV is this side. But when ungena from this side. So whoever's sitting on this side of le U ukhona ukubona ngale ukuthi kwenzakalani, yabo. So my sihlezi sibhekele sonke sifuna ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Okay, she gets out the car. We are sondela, gets to the door. Sends a text. She sends a text, hey, I'm outside. And you just give me a second, I'm coming. And so these are my cheap. I didn't boogie say that. The way that door was so dark, literally, this girl couldn't see that what's happening. Obviously, we in the inside. Uhlezi ngaphandle lapha ugelings ubhizi uyazilungisa lapha ushawa make final puffing uyangithola uzibrusha up ufaka ama lip gloss ufaka ama what uthela ama cologne kokugcina what sibhekile sonke ngibafethu ngicabangani balomuntu. So manje asikhona ukudecide ukuthi how do you, I don't believe nabantu abahappy man emhlabeni. Like you are not my type for the sake of this conversation and for the sake of this live and the risk of someone recording what I want to say. I will not say lo mntana bekamubi or bekamuhle. I will just say she was below the standard of what I would go for usually. Ngesikhuluma ngefashionali yomuntu. Kusho ukuthi bekangekho kule level kababy manje. Mwazi umuntu wami uzwazi ukuthi level kababy kuphi. Akekho kuleyo level. I'm kidding. But yes. Sharp amachita wathi shimfethu Joe. Fairly young tall, but her body dog like I'm about she had a nice body. I would lie to you guys, Sharp. So my sibili ndawo ukuthi I sekala mfethu uzuthini mfethu. Angithola. My friend lo oncingisile naye is looking at the situation from that side. Umbhekile lo muntu 2 seconds whatever else. Mind you ambone mntana abantu angene okay obviously manje sengiyavula manje yaza amajita kanjani. Oh mama kwena mama yo hey ne wansa ba re botsa ka wena yo. Camera guys. Why do we do that as guys? Like why do we hype up? Like we can literally make someone, sorry, Sur. But like, why do we hype up umuntu like so that they actually feel like umuntu doesn't feel like, oh my word, but because this girl walks into, like, I swear to you. You see, one thing about anyone who came to that house, you can never say you came there and there was no good treatment. No, like as gents, we made sure like there's someone who's gonna cook, there's someone who's gonna get you a drink, there's gonna offer you food, we're gonna chill. You wanna watch TV? What do you wanna do? What? Okay, no. It's like, mama, so relax. Okay, like, it's not even me, the person that you came to, that is offering you these things. The giants are just there, like, what do you want? Like, kuluma fito. What are the snacks? What's the snacks? So let's say the snacks. Yes, my fire, my snacks, and my peanuts. My what? I can have a competition there. Yeah, my peanuts, no, my snacks, no, my knickknacks, no, my sweet, my indomint. But yes, that's that setup. Man, don't say that. That setup, girls getting in, she's so happy, oh my word. Girl gets there, nice guy offer, no, whatever else. Nice guy tune up, hey. Mntana wantu hayi apheke kangaka nina uceda ukufika lo muntu lona. So we had made like a quick meal, you know, those quick meals that you just eat fast nje namajita. That was nothing complicated. She was like, no, if you guys allow me, I can cook for you guys a proper meal. Hey Joe, I bet hey papa man, why you know it's a papa? And then now mind you, it's around 2 a.m. in the morning. When now ufetso fitla, you wanna share the papa. I bet hey papa man, I bet papa. Hey, happy and then no rubber pie, mini man. And so I think when a shape papa girl for everyone to papa, I bet see what the when you know let you cooking. She starts cooking like yo. Happy, like she cooked a homely cooked meal, like nice. Oh my word, I'm a cheat that I am, hey. Answer, okay. Avele ansarai fight. Oh my word. Hey, booyah. Hey, waba. Could you Kalaba baseline up to Twitter? Wow. Answer. Hey, I'm happy. Happy. Okay, look happy, whatever else. I'm silent about this bar. So I get to speak to this girl frequently, like now. Okay, it's like Kuluma frequently. That was the only time she came, and that was the only time that we did whatever it is that we did. But afterwards we maintain communication, whatever else. It's Kuluma. Hey, now then that COVID hits. Right? COVID meshaya mfethu uGellings aqale ayenze I think he say like ukudla, like fast foods, right? So she does. No, actually, I can't speak about this menu because this menu was famous during lockdown. Yeah, for argument's sake, let's say I'm a chips. I think I'm a chips girl. She had a nice setup. I would like to you guys. Yeah, for argument's sake, I said take some girl. Whatever else, send me a text. You, if you don't mind, please come and support my business, whatever else, whatnot. So now, me and the girlings are not dating. since shy kudushkwa guy one. I'm told. But now things have changed in a sense. I now have my own space. My bro still lives in his house, whatever else. This is okay, cool. Okay, let's to know. I'll bring you the food, what. And now, obviously, when my COVID times, gune curfew. So my sister I curfew, so meaning she can't travel and go back. So meaning milalalela. Okay, wait. Just a quick question, right? Just a quick question. Guys, like, am I the only one, like, who feels like certain things are useless, especially with the girl that you are not in a relationship with? Am I the only one who feels like it's pointless to talk to, it's pointless to do anything else? Let's do what you came here to do and fuck off. We both want what we want. Fire. Okay, Kalala. I'm joking. Kalala. Girl a fihle obviously around 2 a ro sang gopola ke rane ke lebetse baba boya hey thiba tshwara ara face okay. I feel it, sorry. So now, so a part of me can't take it. Mind you, she came to bring food. Happy. Kena motho no sa cleaner manje ukuthi izinto change amashiti wenzani mugeli hey yazi beyasebenza ugelings mara awuzelanga lezo zinto la papa so change amashiti wenzani what. My friend comes. I figure what. I don't know what happened that day. Megangena. Okay, Lingzangene Kamere. And so my friend comes to see me. We literally like started with my friend for like an hour. Oh, Ntwana, hey, what. I don't know about that. If it's nah, no muntu nje what. Okay, sharp. Ntwana mi hambi. Yabo. Aphuma girl. Aphuma athi that voice sounds familiar. Is that Span? It's Yamaza. No. Remember when I came to the house? What. Oh, Konja, yeah. I go a night before. Okay, sharp. Bye. Literally 2 days later. 2 days. I'm not exaggerating. 2 days later. I'm phone. Joe. Athi sure it's Joe. Eshazi Joe. Nesinye isitoko la mfethu ekasi ngifuna ukuyoshayela ijika but wena uwoke nikasi so ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi mfethu ucabangani ngalo muntu lo yangithola ngithi okay ntwana ngitshele mfana ubani mfana ubuyaphi lo muntu lo yangithola no mfethu manje Joe lo muntu vele esiloku sikhuluma la kuma DM what not so manje lokuthi mfethu siya connecta mina naye what she wants us to meet up and all of those things nami ngifuna ukuhlangana naye what okay sharp athi ya mara ayimfana Akusile type yami ngithola ngithi akusile type yakho. What do you mean mntwana yami? Man, she's a bit below average. I'm like, bit below average. Yeah, mara umuntu grand, Joe, yazi. Joe, she's business minded. What. My friend is into business, mind you. Like, she's business minded. Oh, okay, cool. She's business minded. Yeah, it's okay. Wenzani ugel like empilweni ngithola. Athi hayi man, kwamanje izinto ziyabheda. Angisho uyabona boma lockdown. So uthengisa amakota. Yeah. Athi akhe uthengisa amakota. It's hayi man. It's but baningi abantu bathengisa amakota. It's hayi wena. Okay. Bani kamalakhe. Alibize it's a death. Ithi aneva ayitwana unabaya yathi ngiyakutshela ntana umuntu so uhlala kuphi ngithi ngasendaweni so athi ya ngithi ekibo kusendaweni so athi ya ngithi athi yini ntana ngithi Joe ngake ngeza nalo muntu lo endlini. Wakeweza na endlini. Yeah, ngiyamkhumbuza now the story. Remember there was a time I met a girl, whatever else, and then some analyzer angale kwentuza simhleka azilungisa makeup na. Athi yeah, but it was so mfethu amkhumbula athi yeah, it's the same girl. Athi mara ntwana man izinto zakudala lezo yangithola ngithi eish ntwana boma 2 days ago lo muntu bekala athi no ntwana I don't believe that. Dog, I'm telling you. Athi Joe, I don't believe that. It's okay, sharp. Yaza senzeni. Wena uthe uyombona nini lo mntana. Athi hayi Joe, mina plan lami Joe, I want to be like, you know, that supportive person. So ngitshela ukuthi mfethu ngifuna ngishayele i-order for mina namachita and whatever else. So it's like a bulk order. So ngifuna solanda le order lelo so itu. That's why being it's mina. Ngifuna wena ngitshela ukuthi uyamazi lo muntu lo. Ngithi asabe. Ngizokhapha. Because this person was here. Mind you, 2 days ago, this person was at my place. Sambe nogeli, asabe lo mchita mfethu silokishini, mesifike lokishini mfethu Joe, okay cool. Ambala ngiyabona ithatala uye mfana, athi ngithi mfana uye Joe, ngiyakutshela. Athi ntana no atata. Into right sharp. Ithi mina ngihlala emuva. Wena umtshela ahlale phambili. Ngifuna umuzi ukuthi uyothini mekangena lapha ya. In life, you must always be afraid of the devil. But after the devil, you must be afraid of women. You will never believe what this girl did. You will never. You will never believe what this girl did. Ngathi ngamfaka lo muntu la azongiconfirmela le story because ngiyazile ukuthi akayini angicall her sharp sifike lapha na kulo girl whatever else. Girl brings the order first, right? Girl brings the order. Mekalethi order uphethe nesikhwama. So she's being helped by her mom umama kumncedise uphethe crate lakhona liphethe lamakota angisho kanti ubani lo uthi angry at me umama uza imagine she's coming with her mom, so her mom is helping her out, so ngithola umama kuphethe I tray. It's not a tray, you know these crates, the crate there's the sinkwa. Nafunda ngizobatshela ngawo uswabe la yolupapa. Girl comes with the crate, uphethe crate, uphethe nesikhwama. Uma lady uphethe crate iphethe ama-plate wethu vele namachita sisitshela ukuthini namhlanje vele angibuyeli kwami. I'm sleeping over at my friend's place because I want to see the reaction of this person. Like I want to see. No mngani wami sesiyaplana mfana sifuna ukubona ukuthi mfana mase sifike lapho uyenza kanjani mfethu. Uthi wena beka nawe mina mfethu ngiyakutshela dog. This girl was meeting 2 days ago. I said no, that there's no way. I was speaking to that girl 2 days ago and that's when we started planning this whole thing ukuthi mfethu ngizoza ngizokusupport or whatever else, and we agreed ukuthi ngizoza ngizozilandela izinto today because bengibhizi uyazi. Ngithi no ntwana ngiyakutshela mina ngifuna ukubona reaction yakhe. Uyahlala lo mntwana. Athi kimi okay manje mina ngafika kujike ngithi ntwana mina ngafika jike akusumfazi wami mina mangabe wona I think okay, I feel me and sometimes I think me and my friends were weird. Yeah, no, I really think we were weird at that time. But I think me and my friends were weird because at that time, dog, esinganandaba ukuthi wena wenzeni mina kusasa ngenzani wena izolo. At that time didn't care, but the principle of this person, I think into bemshaya, my friend at that time, is the fact that they've been having conversations and the conversations are starting to get serious. So it wasn't even a thing of nyashaya nyadlula or whatever else. He was kind of sort of, I don't know, not falling for her, but like investing in whatever these conversations were and all of these things. So sharp manje sesenzani naman ish sharp manje mfethu okay eze namakota megafika namakota bawafake emuva ngihleze emuva ngisho uvula umamakhe pha makavula makapakela amakota lapha kodwa wabeka phansi ngawo so wabeka like very obvious lapho is not pants seat but like on the floor on the side so that they don't fall. Beka amakota lapho mfethu jo uyapakela vele besibabhaya, so we had to buy like I think we were 8 or ngakho lamakota. Beka lamakota lawo avula iboots uMgelings umama wakhe mekavula umnyango emuva uGelings avule iboots. No Bobby, it wasn't for free besibhadala shem yazibhadala abantu ubhadalile shem avule iboot. No, but not for that second thing, for amakota. Let's not get it wrong. Sibhadalela amakota. It was also cabanga kela avule iboots emuva afake ibag yakhe avala umnyango athi bye mama yakhe xa ubona athi akishoko uyalinki xa ubona baba kathi baba kwanaka akunabo baba bakhohlekela nakaphandle keke ini mina ekhaya bakhaphe endodeni ungabhulwa yimi bhula yo ngena uGelings emotweni mina ngena vele exroom hi babe what uvulisa umngane Yeah. Nale njalo iphendulo lo masimbo mngani wami. Hey. Ngimpe. Ngibheke hawu mara ngingakhulumi. I want to see her reaction when she looks at the back. Abheke emuva athi hayi Thaba. Athi hayi Thaba. How are you? Like casually, like nkare ka o bona o tsotse 2 days ago, like nkare that's hi Thaba, how are you? I know ngidlala alone. It's hi. Okay, Lynn. It's nice to see you. It's been a while. I just nice to see you. It's been a while. It's your time sure does go. I get the time sure does go fast. Okay, ngithi yazi le ngifuna ukuyibona ukuthi yophelela le ngifuna ukuyibona ukuthi yophelela phi angiyikwami namhla. If I have to sleep by the couch, I'm sleeping by the couch again. Ngake ngalala couchini hey nina ngijwayele couch angibona manje nguphi nginguphi ngisecouchini namanje nombhedo nje lapha phezulu angazi ngilindeni i-couch angiyimindi i-couch ingise kude empilweni yami mara for lento engifuna ukuyibona namhlanje ukuthi lo girl uyenzani ngihamba nabo ngiyolala kabafu ngivakashela ubafu namhlanje sambe siye lapha kabafu. My friend is still staying at the same house, which means my friend is still staying at the same house. That's very important. Like that's an important part of the story. Ngifuna ukukhomba isibindi samantombazana ukuthi singakanani. Remember, okay, sharp. I'll remind you. Ratamai, go to the house. Miss Figa obviously is locked down, so it has to be early. And manje in that estate, nakona melu fihle, whatever else, visitors are not allowed. Blah blah blah. Yes, mele private ma security this allergy, what whatever else. Cool. Singing and I whatever else go inside the house. Messingena, we go to this house. This house is the place where me and this girl first met. Ne. Siagu the same house. Same house. Singene, Miss Figa, obviously, as I said, when you enter the living space, when you enter the house, you enter into the living space. room lagabafu is literally like by the corner of the living space. So mupum in the living space, the first door you come across, umnyango room gabafu ne. Ngizothi ubafu umngane wami nje sekawubafu namhlanje. Sharp singene ubafu ayenze ubafu athatha isikhwama sakagela asinobloma yi ayobeka ibag kagela kuphi kule room. Mantombazana sengihlezi lapha ngifuna ukubona yonke lento ngivula ikota ngidla ikota amajitavera siyadla sonke whatever else kuyadliwa sihlezi lapha by the living space wabona watching TV. I don't know what was trending at that time, but we were watching something very trendy. Sonke nje lapha house bugele. In my head I'm like, there's no way this girl is acting like she hasn't seen me in a long time. She's casual about everything that she's doing. Urlexile agachanga next like agana next agukho next wrong agahluphi indawo ahluphi umuntu indawo ayikho wrong yena ibonayo lapha. This girl ne sharp. This is where I saw that girls will see us, will kill us. I'm saying will see us. Girls will kill us. Girls will kill us. Girls will be the death of us. Now we got there in the afternoon, right? Mind you, I told you many men, but there's like 8 of us. 8, 9 guy, name. Big house. Girls figures the whole day since the meaning from Aboma 1 Mdana whatever else. Guess what this girl decides to do on 7 o'clock episode day? Guess yo, me. Oh, awapheka ugel. Wapheka ugel. King! Once right. Wapheka ugel. Awapheka ugel. Yazi wapheka ugel. Wapheka ugel. Same pot that she used. The first day when she was trying to impress me, she uses the same pot to try and impress umngani wami. Fuck. This man bafu. It's babu. None of this feels like deja vu. My nigga, you've never experienced anything like this. Athi hayi man. Sayamkhumbula. Wafika wapheka lapha emthola what? Ngithi ntwana. Uye lo girl. Athi ngithi ndoda. It's the same girl literally that came and cooked here whatever else. Athi oh my word. Fana lo safika samisa lapha ngaphandle what? Athi fana ngithi ntwana. Ngithi ntwana uye lo girl. mfana net for dating. Athi net for dating. Net for dating. Ngithi mfana ngomyeki. Ngathi mfana ungamyeki mfana. Yena. That's when I saw that girls are dangerous. Like, but the cherry on top is the fact that badlalele wrestling in the same bed that me and her played wrestling in the same house, same bed, same room. Akabonanga next room. They are happy, girl. You think she'd text me to say, please don't tell him that I was with you, or please what? Next. Akazingeni girl at all. Nje yena kuye nje yonke into be right, ayikho into wrong. Girl never said anything. She never even felt the need to come and explain herself to me or even to the guy to say, ish, when your friend and me used to whatever. Like, I hope this doesn't bother you, whatever. I'm lying. Okay, there was a last time, but anyway. Nje. Baru bilang bono kon kutami, kami tu masana nyawa saba mantumbasan, nyawa, ayakone, but it happened. I saw with my own 2 eyes. Literally, me and my nigga fought wrestling with the same girl in the same house in the same bed. And she had absolutely no problem with it. But I never seen it. Sapela kanjalo story samno rapela. Maragi ay ngizothini. Anyways, kazinyola mina. Ngikhumbulile shamazi. But I'm back. I'm back. Ngana phone. So I'm back. Super right just since my life. School but don't go man. I'm back, guys. So share my life. Not every day. Everyone that consistency is shy. But in more lives frequently. Tell the story. System you still owe us that one. Which one is this Timbo one? Because I'm finding that angeke one story a day because I'm going to tell you stories langly one. But you should see. But the 2 stories today, like sad guys. But the last one how? One story a day, guys. One story a day keeps the what away. Gonna log. Fuck, can't tell. But your name should be Kiriboni. Talk about this, Sarah, Evid Bank. See, Sarah, Evid Bank need to sneak, guys, and so many stories I can say about Evid Bank. As last the stories. Guys, I've been here for how long? Let me see. I've been here for 2 hours. Guys. Nyolala mina manje. Guys, the song come back. More content is coming. What else? More stories are coming. More music is coming. Yeah, there's a lot more coming from Masterpiece. But he bafethu hayi akusho mina bathi short uribe awu munhu ukuthi uhambe nobani after soka event. Hey, ngeke ngitshele lezo story. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye.